ओए रुक बे. You pick up and I have to come from there.
One world, one ride.
Okay, good morning guys, this is Devashish and welcome to the channel. So we are here for the time training, teachers training course at Triumph. We had come here a few days back. Freddie and my family were here. We went to Scotland and I didn't vlog much, so you can see. But the main intention of coming to London is to go through this time training course. I'm breathless because I'm carrying the gear. With me is Arnav and Freddie.
Hey, hello everybody. We meet again.
Yeah. So we're gonna do the time training. I hope they allow me to shoot inside. If they don't, तो चलो जो इतना शूट कर पाएगा करूँगा. It's a 1 mile walk from the hotel we are staying, and it is outside London. It is at Wales, and yeah, काफ़ी भारी है यार. Anyways, so I hope you enjoy the training. I'm gonna try and shoot as much as I can, and let's see how it goes.
Two to take.
So this is when we are beginning the Triumph Adventure Training School in Wales, UK. We are going to the training arena. So Debu is the second rider ahead of me. ओए रुक बे. You pick up and I have to come from there. थोड़ा सा उठा. Okay? You okay? Stand. Stand down. Side stand down. Stall. Huh?
Yeah, we're back up on his wheels.
That's it.
Okay. Just tightening up the mirrors. Okay, cool.
That should be good.
Anybody else coffee? Yes.
The roads are off-road.
The roads are off-road, yeah.
Coffee, tea?
Coffee.
Some cups.
That's it, thank you.
Yeah, you okay?
I'm good,
So, stirrer there?
Yep.
Milk, sugar?
Yep, thank you.
Would you like some sugar?
Yeah, sure.
There you go.
Shit, man! Hello, Freddy. How was it, man? Lovely. Huh?
You just put this in there.
All good.
Oh yeah.
But that was tough, man. So far so good. It was quite tough. A lot of things to be learned, and let's see how it goes. लगता है लकड़ा वकड़ा भी कुदाएगा उधर.
Maybe not from our group.
I think so. Let's see how it goes. But yeah, tried my best. I'm not having the Sienna, so I'm not able to take the footage properly or talk. But definitely, I'm sure Arun is doing the job. Let's see. So far, so good. But it's tough, man. It's tough.
One world, one ride.